Hello, everybody. I know this is uh, not a regular scheduled time, but I wanted to update everybody on our court date and hearing for round two in the Thurston County Superior Court. Our court date is July 8th. So if you are available on July 8th at 1:30 p.m., come down to the Thurston County Court. That's when our trial is for round two. You can sit in the courtroom, you can pack the courtroom, and that would be awesome. Uh, you can stand outside if you like, and that's good too. So I want everybody, mark your calendar. Keep in mind, the media is not going to publish this. They might if we have a bunch of people there, because it'd be pretty embarrassing for them not to. But otherwise, they're not going to report on this. So it's up to us to make our voices heard. So again, July 8th, 1:30 p.m., Thurston County Court. I don't know offhand what the courtroom is, but once you get in there, it'll be easy to figure out. It's going to be Carol Murphy's courtroom. Um, Talked a lot about that already, and we'll probably talk more about it later. But I just want all of you to know about it. Also, I just wanted to briefly mention we had a sign waving out in Elma over the weekend, Saturday, and really was very entertaining. We had a maintenance worker was very upset that we were there waving Inslee signs, and she even decided to stop doing her job so that she could melt down and have a snowflake episode. So little did we know we were going to have such great entertainment out there, but we did, and of course we were prepared. So we had the law with us. We had the whack all ready to show the state patrol, and matter of procedure when a responding officer doesn't know what to do, they have to call their supervisor. So they did all that, and at the end of the day, they said, "You're good to go, no problem. Don't block traffic." And not a problem. We're not anarchists. We don't block traffic. So a good time was had by all, and well, except for the lawnmower jockey. Um, and I think we're going to go out and visit there some more. So any of you guys want to come on out to Alma, definitely come on out. We'll let you know when we're going to do it. We've got a real packed schedule right now. Um, so I'm not sure. Next Sunday, I'm going to be up in Cumberland, Washington, and we've got a date planned out in we've got a date planned for I think it's out in July that we'll be down in Clark County. We're trying to get out to some of the other counties because unfortunately people are kind of uh, losing their energy. And right now we've got round two, which very well might get through the courts. And we gotta keep up the fight here. We gotta not dilute that. Um, I was recently listening to a campaign event, and I realized that a lot of people don't know what wax and what RCW, what they mean, and what their implication are. So I just want to give a real brief description of that, just so everybody knows. RCW is the Regulatory Code of Washington. These are laws that are passed by the legislature. WAC is the Washington Administrative Code. These are rules created by nameless, faceless, brainless bureaucrats. Uh, and this has been a really bad thing for a long time, where there was absolutely no accountability for a whack rule. Any irritable little bureaucrat that wanted to create a rule could just go ahead and do it, and that was the end of it. And back, going on 20 years ago, under Gary Locke, that came to a head, and they changed the system such that wax had to be controlled by an RCW. So the RCW could be vague, and that's how laws are legislated in Washington, in a very vague, uh, abdicatory way. and that just means that the legislature doesn't want to make any decisions, so they create sort of a thin framework, and then they pass it back to the bureaucrats to go ahead and flesh it out. Which, I mean, that's a bad system, period. But it is what we have, and so that's what we have. The RC, there has to be an RCW that supports a WAC, and if the WAC violates the RCW, then the WAC would be ultimately unenforceable because it doesn't have the force of law behind it. So rest areas are, among other things, governed by an RCW, which just basically says to see the WAC and so forth. And it's about the same as the WAC, actually. And the WAC is pretty general. It says that you can't start fires there. It says that you can't aggressively accost people or demand money from them. It says that you can't let your dogs crap all over the place. And we of course we were there, and we didn't accost anyone for money, and we didn't even have any dogs with us, and we didn't start any fires. So we were totally in accordance with the WAC. But there are people that just hate it when you're obeying the law and still doing something that they disagree with. And so hopefully tonight or tomorrow, Alexis will post her videos. She took some videos out there and did some commentary of her own, and I'm sure those will be very much enjoyed by everyone. I had a chance to preview them last night. She's still working on uploading them, but definitely look forward to those coming out, and look forward to us visiting Elma again. And we're also going to try some of the other rest areas. These are good opportunities to meet people who are traveling throughout the state. So it's a way to get the word out beyond just our local area, and that's real important. Okay, that was longer than I planned to be, and so I'm glad that some people got to see this and pass on the information that we're going to be in court July 8th, and hope to see you all there. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you back on Thursday for our regularly scheduled update.